Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wished you could seamlessly connect TradingView with your OKX crypto account, you're in the right place. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to link up your accounts so you can execute trades from right inside TradingView, giving you more speed, confidence, and control. So let's jump straight in. To get started, you'll need an OKX account. Make sure you're logged in. This is important because TradingView needs access to your OKX account to sync everything up smoothly. If you don't already have an account, I'd recommend setting one up at aux.com and confirming your login credentials. Once you're logged in and ready to go, that's your foundation set. Think of it like prepping the soil before planting. You want it to be ready before you start linking up platforms. Now let's head over to TradingView. If you're not familiar, TradingView is a powerful charting tool that lets you analyze markets, and by linking your brokerage account, even execute trades. From the main interface, look for what's called the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. Sometimes it might be hidden or collapsed, so if you don't see it right away, check for small tab or arrow at the bottom. Click it to open up the panel. The trading panel is where TradingView brings in all its broker partners, letting you hook it up to accounts like OKX. At this point in the panel, there's a list of available brokerages. You're going to use the search bar to type in OKX. This narrows things down and helps you find it quickly, rather than scrolling through a long list. Once you see the OKX logo pop up, go ahead and click on it. It'll bring up a new option where you'll see a Connect button. Clicking this is what actually starts the connection process between TradingView and your OKX account. Now when you hit the Connect button, TradingView is going to ask for permission to access your OKX account. This is totally normal, just TradingView making sure you're in charge and that your data stays secure. You might need to approve the connection using some verification step on the OKX side, like entering a code or confirming via email or app. Don't worry if this part takes a minute, it's just a standard security measure. Follow the prompts as they appear, and be sure to read anything that pops up so you know exactly what access you're granting. Once the connection goes through, you'll be able to see your OKX account details right in TradingView. It's pretty impressive. The two platforms now work together, so you can analyze price charts and place trades without hopping from one website to the other. It's like finally being able to control all the switches in your smart home from one dashboard. And that's it, you've successfully connected your TradingView and OKX crypto accounts. From here, you can start exploring new trading possibilities and streamline your workflow. If you have any questions or if you got stuck anywhere along the way, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I read them all and I'm happy to help. If this video was useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow crypto and trading tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and happy trading.